Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to see your Roblox password on PC. So all you have to do is log in your Roblox or go to that specific web browser where you have logged in your Roblox. Tap on the three dots, go to settings or go to password and autofill. Now here you should see the password manager or Google password manager, and all you have to do is go to the search icon or search bar, and then you have to look for Roblox. So you should see the Roblox right here, and all you need to do is to tap that one. Once you tap the Roblox, you should see all of the accounts that you have logged in here on your Google web browser. So this is what it looks like in order for you to see or view your Roblox password. All you have to do is tap on this eye icon and you will see your Roblox password on PC. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.